Today we are teaching the installation of cryolipolysis and EMS. We took out two short support rods and installed them in the middle and left behind the instrument. After inserting the support rod, insert the hexagon socket screw from the bottom and tighten it. Next, proceed with screen installation. Thread the screen wires through the holes in the bracket. When installing the screen, realign it with the blue top and tighten the screws. Before installing the screen stand, we first insert the screen cable into the wiring port. Arrange the wires and insert them into the bracket. After inserting the bracket, insert and tighten the screws on the left and right sides of the bracket. Next, install the handle bracket. Turn the notch of the bracket towards the back and use the screw installation position to distinguish. Next, install the probe holder. Align the holes of the hanger and twist it slightly to insert it into the holes. Finally, use 3 round head screws to insert into the socket and tighten. Next, hold down the freezer handle and EMS handle. When installing the freezer handle, align it with the socket and insert it forcefully. When installing the EMS handle, align it with the socket and insert it firmly and fasten it. Next, install the filter bottle. Align the filter bottle with the interface and insert it forcefully. Next, add water. Find 2 water outlets and insert them into the top water inlet and the middle overflow outlet. Find the funnel, insert it into the water nozzle, and continue to add water. When the overflow port overflows, it means that the water has been filled up. Take out 2 water nozzles, and the entire installation process is over.